What's going on, everybody? This is Jay Jones coming at you from Donnelly Ford to Shelby. Today I have a 2018 Ford Expedition Max. This beauty has a black exterior as well as aluminum wheels. The Expedition Max is also great for winter as it is four-wheel drive. Also comes with tons of trunk space. Powered third row seating, as well as powered running boards. Let's take a look inside. As we step inside, you see a black leather interior. For hot days like today, you'll see that we have heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, as well as a wireless charge pad. This beauty is equipped with a pano roof, B&O sound system. This beauty even comes with pedal adjustment. Okay guys, that's all for the fully loaded 2018 Ford Expedition Max. If you or anybody you know are in the market looking for a vehicle, stop down at 249 Mansfield Ave and ask for Jay.